Welcome everyone to the UCSF Health Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider Awards. Today, we honor 7 remarkable individuals who have earned this prestigious recognition. Their dedication, expertise, and passion are at the very heart of what makes UCSF Health thrive. At UCSF Health, our community of more than 1,000 advanced practice providers sets the bar for excellence across 168 specialties. On this special occasion, we celebrate their unwavering commitment to our patients, their profession, and the UCSF Pride values that define our organization. These exceptional providers bring advanced education and training to every aspect of care. They diagnose, treat, prescribe, and assist in surgical procedures, making a profound impact on patient outcomes. Their work is a key factor in UCSF Health being ranked among the best hospitals for 2025 by US News & World Report. It's clear their contributions drive our success and elevate our reputation as a world-class health system. So thank you again for joining us to honor the achievements of this year's awardees. Their dedication is truly inspiring and serves as a powerful reminder of the difference that compassionate, skilled healthcare professionals make every single day. As we celebrate these honorees, let's continue to champion excellence, innovate, and push the boundaries of outstanding patient care together.
Thank you, Chancellor Hoggett. I am Dr. Yvette Becerra Ortiz, and I have the privilege of leading an extraordinary group of healthcare professionals here at UCSF Health. People whose compassion, expertise, and unwavering dedication ensure that every patient receives the highest level of care every single day. We gather not just as colleagues, but as community, to recognize and celebrate the remarkable contributions of the numerous nurse practitioners, certified registered nurse anesthetists, physician assistants, and certified nurse midwives, who are the heart of our healthcare system. They are the steady hands, the listening ears, the problem solvers, and the fierce advocates for those who need us most. This year, we received 74 nominations for 36 providers across both inpatient and outpatient settings, spanning 28 diverse clinical areas. These nominations reflected excellence in clinical care, leadership in diversity, breakthroughs in quality improvement and research, and tireless efforts to expand access for our patients. What stood out the most was not just the number of nominations, but the spirit behind them. These providers live our core values every day. They show up with kindness, humility, resilience, and a profound sense of responsibility to the people they serve. We want to thank you for the care you provide and for the hearts you touch and the lives you change. Your work matters deeply, and we are endlessly grateful.
I am so pleased to present Danielle Briggs, nurse practitioner in obstetrics, gynecology, and reproductive sciences, with an Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider Award in the category of Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion. Danielle exemplifies the principles of health equity through her unwavering commitment to ensuring that all patients receive the care they need, regardless of socioeconomic barriers. She goes out of her way to ensure patients have equal access to care and are treated with respect. She regularly accommodates those who face challenges, like limited access to transportation. She identifies patients with social determinants that may increase their risk of disease later on in life and proactively connects them to resources. Her thoughtful approach and innovative solutions have made a significant impact on our community, ensuring all patients receive the compassionate and equitable care they deserve. Please join me in congratulating Danielle on this wonderful achievement.
I am so incredibly honored to have been nominated, let alone received one of the awards for Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider at UCSF. I have been at UC for 10 years with all of my years of service in the OBGYN department. 2 years ago, I joined the Center for Complex Obstetric Medicine. Advocating for women's health has always been a passion of mine, and I cannot believe that I get to do this every single day. I am so very grateful for the privilege to care and support our high-risk patients during their pregnancy as well as afterwards. There are so many people whom I would like to thank and recognize. I'm especially grateful for the mentorship, support, and advocacy of both Dr. Juan Gonzalez, Dr. Roxana Arani, and Megan Paul as well. This award ultimately celebrates the collaborative efforts of many of us, many who are dedicated to improving how we care for our postpartum patients who experience adverse pregnancy outcomes like preeclampsia and like HELLP syndrome. There were two separate but complementary initiatives that happened over the past year that I was involved with. One involved a joint effort between our inpatient and outpatient team, which is dedicated to creating new clinical algorithms, protocols, and workflows to help standardize postpartum hypertension care and to reduce OB/ED admissions. This award also celebrates the creation of a brand new clinic called the Postpartum Cardiometabolic Wellness Clinic, which is a clinic dedicated to improving women's heart health after experiencing a pregnancy complication. This clinic is truly a joint venture with both cardiology and maternal fetal medicine. Over the past year, we had many after-work meetings, and I'm just so excited that our shared passion project is now up and running. I'm looking forward to seeing how we can continue to work together and to expand the services that we offer to meet our patients' needs. I'm so very grateful for our partnership. Thank you so much to Dr. Ashley, Dr. McLaughlin, Amanda Schnell-Herringer in cardiology, and to Dr. Malampati, Dr. Tesfull, and Dr. Gonzalez in maternal fetal medicine. I just feel so incredibly lucky that I'm surrounded by the most amazing and supportive colleagues in the clinic, my fellow NPs, Hannah, Laura, and Mary Scott. And a big shout out to our high-risk RNs and patient navigators, Mari, Megan, Amina, Orpha, and Sochi. You guys do so much for our high-risk patients and for our clinic, and we would not flow without you. And thank you to all the MAs and LVNs who work with us so closely every day in the clinic. I appreciate you all. Truly, this award is a celebration and recognition for all of the amazing healthcare providers that I get to work with on a day-to-day basis. Thank you all so very much.
Danielle, I am thrilled to congratulate you on this Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider Award. Your commitment to our obstetrics clinic is truly inspiring to our patients, our staff, and your fellow colleagues. The work you've done this past year on how we improve the care we provide to patients who have been diagnosed with hypertensive disorders just speaks volumes to your leadership and your passion. You don't just identify issues and challenges, you bring together teams to help create and identify solutions. This award is a testament to your kindness, your hard work, your passion, and your commitment to excellence. I could not be more proud that you're being recognized for this achievement. We appreciate all that you do for all of our patients and for all of us. We appreciate you, and we are so lucky to work with you. Congratulations again on this most deserved award.
I am so honored to recognize nurse practitioner Dennis D'Antoni Lashowski with an Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider Award in the Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion category. As an impassioned leader in the HIV and infectious disease communities, Dennis is dedicated to raising awareness and advocating for change. Their participation for more than a decade in the AIDS Life Cycle event, a grueling 400-mile bicycle ride from San Francisco to Los Angeles, has raised tens of thousands of dollars, significantly impacting the resources available for HIV care. Dennis participates in numerous advocacy activities aimed at addressing new challenges to research efforts in infectious diseases. Their team says it is an honor working alongside a colleague who not only excels in providing exceptional clinical care, but also dedicates their personal time to advancing social justice and support for our patients. Please help me congratulate Dennis on earning this prestigious recognition.
Hi, It's a real honor to accept this award, especially when I know so many exceptional advanced practice providers who work here. It's especially an honor to accept it in the category of diversity, equity, and inclusion at a time when those words have so much controversy surrounding them. I've worked in HIV care and infectious disease now for 14 years, and the last 8 months have been some of the more trying of those 14 years. With all the work we've done in COVID and Mpox and HIV, and now turning around trying to justify our funding, it's been some disheartening times. So to have some recognition for the work that I do and the work that we do as a group, it can help keep us going, and I thank you for that. The work that I do can't be done alone, and I am so grateful to have an amazing team with my CRCs, Veronica, Caro, Audrey. You all are amazing, and thank you so much. And nurses Jay and Suzanne, your passion and dedication, I just thank you. Thanks for making my job possible. And I am gifted to have incredible mentors like Annie Lukemeyer and Vivek Jain, Karina Marquez. You guys are incredibly gifted clinicians with intense knowledge, but you're also passionate clinicians that care about your whole patient. And I am so grateful to learn from you. And I really want to thank my husband, Brian, for helping to keep me sane and grounded through all of this, and for getting me through the more stressful times of my job, and for making it all worth it at the end. So thank you. I love you. And thank you all for this award. It means a lot.
Congratulations on your award, Dennis.
We are so proud of you receiving this, and so appreciate all of your hard work and dedication to our patients. Congratulations, Dennis.
Congratulations, Dennis, on this fantastic award. You bring an amazing dedication to everything you do in infectious disease clinic and throughout our clinical operations. You push through barriers, solve problems, and innovate new ways of delivering care. You have an amazing empathy and kindness for every patient, and it is a joy being your colleague. Congratulations again on this much-deserved, wonderful award.
It is my honor to present the Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider Award in the Science category to Annika Ehrlich. Annika is a nurse practitioner and exemplary leader at the UCSF Headache Center. She has advanced certifications in headache medicine and neuroscience nursing. Her research and collaborations have expanded the understanding of headache disorders, including studies of post-cochlear implant activation, telehealth as a care delivery model, and the use of behavioral modalities during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Beyond the clinic and lab, Annika's advocacy as a board member of Miles for Migraine has championed equitable policies for patients. Through events like Headache on the Hill, she has addressed disparities in headache care, fostered affinity groups, and safe spaces for LGBTQI and BIPOC advocates. Thank you, Annika, for your dedication to research and patient care. Congratulations on winning the Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider Award.
I'm truly honored to be receiving the Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider Award, and I want to congratulate all of the other winners and nominees. I've been in my role at the Headache Center in ambulatory neurology for 10 years now, and appreciate all of the opportunities provided to help me continue to learn and grow in my career here at UCSF. Whether it be opportunities to participate in research and writing, committee work, advanced practice leadership, support to return to school and complete my doctoral degree, invitations to speak at meetings and conferences, to teach, all of these things create an environment where advanced practice providers can grow, thrive, and be exceptional. Of course, at the heart of our practice is evidence-based, person-centered care, which I feel privileged to do in my clinical work here and in my advocacy work on behalf of the 40 million Americans living with headache disorders. A special thanks to the director of the Adult Headache Center, Dr. Mo Levin, for his mentorship and encouragement, the chief of advanced practice providers, Dr. Yvette Becerra-Ortiz, and the entire Office of Advanced Practice Providers, the UCSF Weill Institute for Neurosciences Clinical Nurse Director, Dr. Jeremy Vergara, and our entire Headache Center team. Thank you very much.
Dear Anuka, congratulations with Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider Award. I cannot think about anyone who deserves it more. So proud of everything you're doing. Thank you for your leadership in advocacy for headache disorders. Thank you for amazing patient care.
I'm pleased to recognize Stephanie Rodriguez as the recipient of this year's Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider Award in the Leader category. With nearly 20 years of experience as a nurse practitioner, Stephanie is a trusted expert in caring for transplant patients and those with leukemia. She guides patients through complex treatments with both deep clinical knowledge and compassion, earning the respect of colleagues and the gratitude of patients. Stephanie is admired not only for her expertise, but also for her kindness, consistently receiving glowing feedback. She is a true resource for her team, always willing to teach, support, and lead by example. Her leadership has strengthened her team and advanced the quality of care for our patients. It's a privilege to honor Stephanie today for her exceptional leadership and contributions to advanced practice care.
Thank you so much for the honor of being named one of this year's exceptional APPs at UCSF. I started at UCSF 23 years ago as a new grad RN up on 11 Long at the Parnassus campus, and I'm truly proud of the way that my career has grown here at UCSF. I'm very grateful to the entire interprofessional team in the hematology, blood and marrow transplant, and cellular therapy department. Patients always comment on how strong the entirety of our team is, and it's true about the way that we work together to bring exceptional care to patients and families who are undergoing treatment for hematologic malignancies. Also very grateful for the leadership team at the UCSF APP Fellowship Program. I've truly enjoyed the mentorship and teamwork as we grow the next generation of UCSF APP oncology leaders at UCSF. I would not be the APP that I am today without my team of APPs in the HBC department. This exceptional group of APPs pushes me to grow myself professionally. We push each other to provide exceptional patient care to our patients, and they sure make work a lot more fun to show up to. I'm incredibly grateful for the camaraderie and teamwork in this group. Finally, I'd like to thank my husband, Ryan, and my children, Violet, Lila, and Henry. Thank you so much for your unwavering support and for pushing me to show up to be my best self every day. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Stephanie, on this well-deserved recognition. Your compassion, expertise, and tireless dedication makes you not only an exceptional nurse practitioner, but an exceptional colleague, and I am so proud to be working next to you. We've been NP colleagues for many, many years, and you go above and beyond every single day, not because it's expected, but because you care. Your patients feel it, we feel it, your team sees it, and we all admire it. In addition to so many other things, you are truly a clinical expert and educator extraordinaire. Your work as a nurse practitioner exemplifies the highest standards of excellence in healthcare, and your clinical skill, your leadership, and your deep empathy and support make a difference in every life you touch. Congratulations on this outstanding achievement.
Hey, Stephanie, congratulations on receiving the Exceptional APP Award. What an incredible and well-deserved honor. You're more than just an outstanding clinician caring for our complex transplant patients. You're a compassionate leader, a dedicated educator, and a tireless mentor. Whether you're caring for our patients, supporting our team, doing QI projects, or guiding our new hires, students, and fellows, you consistently go above and beyond. Your kindness, skill, and commitment are truly inspiring, and we're all so proud of you. Thank you for everything that you do for our cancer patients and our department, and congrats again.
It's my honor to present the Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider Award in the financial category to Jonathan Taylor. Jonathan is a physician assistant in orthopedic surgery who shows us what it means to be both an excellent clinician and a careful steward of resources. He uses clinical guidelines thoughtfully, making sure patients get the right care while avoiding unnecessary tests. His efficient workups before patients see their surgeons are a clear sign of his commitment to high-quality care. Jonathan's impact goes beyond the exam room. He is one of our top RVU-producing APPs, yet he never loses sight of the patient experience. He proves that productivity and patient-centered care can go hand in hand. His dedication to learning, teaching, and improving care has strengthened his team and improved outcomes for patients. Jonathan is truly an invaluable member of the UCSF community. Thank you, Jonathan, for all the work you do and how you represent UCSF Health.
Hello, everyone. I'm truly honored to receive the award for Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider here at UCSF. To be recognized amongst so many talented and dedicated individuals is truly humbling. Of course, this award is not mine alone, as it belongs to my fellow APPs, our physicians, our nurses, and every member of the care team as we all work together to provide great patient care. I'd like to thank the physicians in my office, Dr. Schroeder, Dr. Shapiro, Dr. Santiesteban, Dr. Lee, Dr. Immerman, Dr. Mason, and Dr. Lachandani. I'd also like to thank my fellow APPs, Leah Tapscott and Nicholas Carvelli, as well as my practice coordinators, Jackie Castillo and Elizabeth Solano. Lastly, I'd like to thank my family and friends for the unwavering support. At UCSF, we serve a community that pushes us to continue to innovate, learn, and treat others with compassion. Every patient encounter is a reminder of why we chose a career in healthcare as we make meaningful differences in people's lives. Receiving this award will continue to push me to grow as a medical provider and continue to support our APP community here at UCSF. Thank you so much for your recognition. And again, I am truly humbled.
Aloha JT, greetings from Hawaii, but just wanted to say congratulations on a well-deserved and amazing award for an amazing APP. We are seriously so lucky to have you and can't think of anyone more deserving. Mahalo.
JT, huge congrats on such a well-deserved award. We've all been incredibly impressed with your care of patients and team player attitude. You're a pleasure to work with and make even the toughest of clinic days more enjoyable, both for us and the patients. Thank you for all you do.
It is my honor to present the Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider Award to Ambali Tennille in the Educator category. A nurse practitioner in the pediatric cardiac ICU, Ambali embodies what it means to be an outstanding clinician. She is a vital provider of the pediatric cardiac home monitoring program. Through virtual visits and remote data monitoring, she expanded reach to the highest risk patients, providing 24-hour care and significantly reducing mortality. Her efforts align with national reductions of over 40% in similar cohorts. In addition to her clinical achievements, Ambali exemplifies educational excellence at UCSF. This year, she presented an abstract on ICU care of pulmonary vein stenosis at 2 national conferences, expanding the body of knowledge on this rare pediatric condition. At UCSF, she founded the Heart Center Journal Club, keeping providers current with evidence-based medicine and sharpening critical appraisal skills. Her work is a testament to the power of compassionate care and innovative strategy. Congratulations, Ambali, on receiving the Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider Award.
I am honored to receive the Exceptional APP Award. I have been with UCSF since 2017, and I have worked as an NP in the CICU as well as now with the single ventricle home monitoring program. I am fortunate to work in a subspecialty that I'm passionate about. Since I have joined as one of the first NPs in the CICU, I have been fortunate to train a lot of the new nurse practitioners who have come through. I am well supported by the exceptional physician attending group that I work with. They have helped me transition from a novice NP to the mentor I am today. It will be unfair to mention some names, but I remember late Dr. Satish Rajagopal, who was the pioneer of the CICU NP program. To my fellow APPs, this is an appreciation of all the hard work that you do every day. It is humbling to be singled out for the award because I think this is all teamwork, and I would give you each an award if I could. I especially thank Sarah Cabot, who's my mentor and APP lead in the CICU. She supports all my endeavors. I also thank Jingjing Yang for getting me on board with the home monitoring program. I'm also surrounded by a dedicated bunch of professionals, the RTs, the nurses, and all the support staff in the CICU and Heart Center who make my work easier each day. Lastly, I thank my patients and families who I take care of. They are so resilient and strong. They give me motivation each day to push through and find meaning in my work. Thank you.
Amelie! Congrats! We're so happy for you. We cannot imagine anybody more deserving of this incredible award. You are the hero of the Heart Center, and all of your hard work does not go unnoticed.
You are the best thing that has happened in my life, besides Sarah.
Yeah. We love you. Thank you for all of your hard work and dedication, and you are an inspiration to all of us.
So well deserved. Love you.
It is my profound privilege to present the Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider Award in the clinician category to Jeannie Zanetti, an exceptional nurse practitioner whose dedication, compassion, and clinical expertise have profoundly impacted the UCSF Symptom Management Service and Cancer Center. As the sole APP in symptom management, Jeannie consistently bridges critical gaps in care, stepping in to support her physician colleagues and ensuring that patients with overwhelming symptoms, such as pain, nausea, and anxiety, receive high-quality, accessible care when needed most. Jeannie's commitment to patient-centered care is evident in her tireless efforts to navigate complex scenarios, such as coordinating opioid prescriptions during a national shortage, or advocating for harm reduction approaches in the Support PC clinic. Her work there in this clinic has transformed care for patients with substance use challenges and cancer pain, providing crucial support to both patients and clinicians in difficult situations. Jeannie's ability to address these challenges with compassion and skill exemplifies the very best in advanced practice care. Her dedication to vulnerable patients and her steady presence in navigating complex cases make her an invaluable member of UCSF. Please join me in congratulating Jeannie on winning the Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider Award.
I believe palliative care chose me. You see, when I was a kid, my mom was diagnosed with stage 4 ovarian cancer, and I vividly remember her suffering. She lived for 2 more decades, and then in 2004, tragically died of sudden cardiac arrest in my arms. That day changed my life forever. I learned I had the strength and courage to be with people in their most vulnerable moments. So I became a nurse, and then an oncology nurse, and for the last 10 years, a palliative care nurse practitioner. In 2021, I got my dream job at UCSF's renowned cancer center in the symptom management service. Using telehealth to reach patients all over Northern California, I care for them to relieve suffering, whether that is treating cancer pain, helping to cope with the anxiety of the next scan, or exploring what matters most when time is short. I get to do what I love most, take care of people in their most vulnerable moments. As the only APP in the practice, I get to wear a lot of hats. I support the clinical triage of our nursing team, act as a bridge between nursing and physicians, and I started an interdisciplinary initiative where physician and APP share the care of complex palliative care patients, offering urgent visits and co-management. And I could not do this alone. To the dedicated, hardworking SMS nursing team, to Dr. Breeze Bell for your generous mentorship through the years, and to all the physicians and staff in the DPM, thank you. I'm honored and humbled to accept the 2025 UCSF Health Exceptional APP Award. Thank you for choosing me.
Jeannie, your compassion lights the way for patients facing their darkest days.
With clinical excellence and gentle grace, you bring healing to each sacred space.
As SMS's cornerstone, you bridge the gaps with dedication shown.
Leading huddles, fostering care, ensuring no one bears their burden alone.
Through Support PC's groundbreaking way, you serve the vulnerable every day.
Co-managing complex cases with skill, your partnership helps hearts to heal.
From urgent visits to coordinated plans, you extend your caring, capable hands.
A role model and trusted guide with wisdom, warmth, and professional pride.
4 years of service, countless lives touched. Your impact cannot be measured as such.
Today we celebrate your exceptional art of healing both body and heart. From all of us in the Division of Palliative Medicine,
Congratulations,
Jeannie!
As we close this celebration, I want to offer my sincere congratulations to the 2025 Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider Award winners. Your dedication, innovation, and commitment to excellence inspire all of us. You're helping to shape the future of UCSF Health and strengthen our ability to deliver world-class care to all who seek it. Thank you for your extraordinary contributions. I look forward to the progress you will continue to drive for our patients and communities here in the Bay Area and beyond. And now, please enjoy a highlight reel featuring past recipients of this award.
Collectively, you make our clinical operation one of the very best in the country, and UCSF Health is one of the best places to work. Your stories are a constant source of inspiration to me and many others, so thank you for all that you do.
The caliber of medicine practiced throughout our healthcare system is unmatched, and it never ceases to amaze me. The level of talent that I see daily among my colleagues.
I hope to continue to encourage others to strengthen each of their connections, continue to learn from one another, and really elevate the standards within our fields.
Each of us is dedicated to serving the men, women, and children who put themselves in our hands during their deeply personal moments of vulnerability and uncertainty. And that requires a tremendous leap of faith. And so here at UCSF, we honor the trust that the patients put in us by providing first-rate care.
This award is a celebration of all UCSF APPs, how they are full of talents, how they are all very compassionate, and how they are all full of wisdom. And I'm so happy to be a part of this community.
This award is a testament to our collective commitment to diversity, equity, and inclusion. Thank you for recognizing our work and celebrating our commitment toward community healing and wellness and supporting our mission to serve those who need it most.
We're so proud of you.
Congratulations!
You're amazing.
Congratulations!
Congratulations!
Congratulations!